In this video, we're going to be checking out some budget Bluetooth earphones that are packing some serious sound right after this. What's up, guys? Welcome back. I'm Jeff at eljefereviews, and on my channel, I do gadget unboxings, demos, and tech reviews. So if that sounds like something that you're into, consider hitting that subscribe button along with that small notification bell, and this way you never miss any of my weekly videos. This week, we're checking out the Dudios Zeus Bluetooth earbuds. These guys are running about $36.99 on Amazon.com right now, and I'll be sure to leave a link to that right down in the description box below. Now, before we go any further, I just want to take a minute to thank Dudios for sending these earphones out to me for this review. So with all that being said, let's go ahead and dive right in. So out of the box, you get the earbuds themselves. As you can see, they are magnetic. Wingtip design. Got your control here, volume up, volume down, multifunction play button, LED light, and right here is also your charging port, micro USB, so you can go ahead and get these all charged up. Although they do come with a pretty decent charge right out of the box. After that, they also include this nice faux carbon fiber carrying case. Nice little netted pocket inside. You can keep your cables and different doodads right inside there. The prerequisite micro USB to standard USB charging cable, always a plus. Carabiner clip. This way you guys can attach this, to your bag, or if you choose to do that, that's always an option for you. Yes, to give you 2 line clamps. So this way you can keep them attached to you, not have to worry about your earbuds falling off if you don't have them in your ear. You also include 2 slide clamps. This way you can tighten down the line. So very nice. Give you a lot of options as far as that goes. And here we've got 8 more choices on ear tip sizes, so 10 total, including the ones that are already on the earbuds themselves. So I always recommend that you guys go ahead and try out different sizes to see which one seals up your ear much better. You get a way better sound experience that way. Believe me on this. And I've been trying out headphones and earphones for a while, and it makes a definite difference. And here you've got all the different interchangeable ear fins. So some of them are a little bit smaller. So you've got some that are like this. And then you've got some of the shorter ones, depending on your ear, depending on how your ear is shaped. Some will work better for you, some won't. And they also include this very nice Dudios user manual, multi-language, and I'm always appreciative of anything that'll help you in case you have any trouble with getting impaired or anything like that. They're modern. I don't see any issues with that. They're Bluetooth 4.1, so I don't foresee any trouble with getting them paired up. All right, so just some quick specs on the Dudios Zeus. They are Bluetooth 4.1, so you won't have any issues pairing these up with any devices. It was super quick pairing with my Galaxy S8 Plus and quick pairing with my wife's LG phone, so no issues there. They also carry an IPX6 rating, making them highly water resistant and sweat resistant. I went ahead and tried this out. I wore them for about 5 minutes while I was taking a shower, and no issues there. There was no loss in sound. Everything still works. So they do offer about an 8-hour playback time. I think I managed to get right around 6.5, just under 7 hours worth of playback time on them. I do listen to music pretty loud though, so that could be part of it. Bassy music and stuff might run down the battery a bit. You can recharge them right back up to full in about 2 hours, so still pretty quick. And I think 8 hours worth of charge time will get you through, most of your week, on a single charge. Just depends on how long your commutes are or what you're using them for. They also carry a 1-year warranty, so there's peace of mind in there. If anything goes wrong with them, you can go ahead and, either get your money back or get them replaced. So that's always a nice touch. Now for the question that's on everyone's mind, how's the sound quality? Now, I went into this expecting decent sound quality. I'm thinking they're, under 50 bucks, you kind of get what you pay for. So, I wasn't super excited about them. Well, let me tell you, I was pleasantly surprised by the solid bass, the great mids, the nice crispy highs on these. I was pleasantly surprised. I put them in my ear and I was just, almost shocked. So, it's 2018. I guess I should be expecting more, higher quality out of these products. And man, the Dudios Zeus definitely delivered. I was listening to hip hop, reggae, rock, whatever I threw at them, regardless of volume from low to high, everything stayed perfectly clear. But I mean, the bass sounds really good, deep and punchy. You know, your mids are right there, right where they need to be, in the highs, man, they are super crisp. So, and mind you, I didn't do any enhancements listening to the music. I put all the EQs right to flat just to make sure that I got whatever the sound signature on these earphones were. And man, I am pleasantly surprised, you know, with the sound quality of them. And I even listened to some audiobooks and all kinds of different stuff, the radio, everything. And yeah, I was pleasantly surprised. The sound quality is excellent. As far as comfort goes, you know, I'm really happy that they give you all these different options. You get 10 different options as far as ear tips go, and you also get 6 different options as far as your ear fins go. And like I always recommend to everyone when you buy earbuds or earphones, go ahead and take some time, try out different sizes to figure out which ones seal in your ear best and which ones hold in your ear best. And you get a much better listening experience. So, you know, get your money's worth out of these earbuds. So all I had to do was swap out the ear tips for one size bigger. They sealed up in my ear perfectly. I don't hear any ambient noise. So yeah, I mean, I'm really impressed with them. Comfort wise, I was able to wear them probably a good 3.5 hours solid before I ended up having to go somewhere else, do something else. So yeah, I mean, they work great. I also like the fact that, you know, they came with all the different accessories, the aforementioned, you know, different ear tips and ear fin sizes, the small carabiner, the cable clips, you know, the little carbon fiber carrying case. I really like all that stuff. I like when a company throws in those little extras. You know, it makes things better. It makes you feel like you're getting something better for your money. So yeah, kudos to them for, you know, throwing that stuff inside as well. And, you know, not only that, I sometimes forget to mention, they also have good range. You know, I was listening to them and I was able to walk around the house. No, you know, there was no breakup in sound. There was no quality, loss in quality. So yeah, that's pretty nice. And then also when I was watching video, I didn't experience any delay in audio. So I have seen that before on certain headphones and earphones where you'll watch a YouTube video and it'll be slightly delayed. That can be a pain, but wasn't experiencing that here. So pretty nice. So all in all, I'm really happy with these. I give Dudios Zeus 2 thumbs up on their sound quality. You know, they are great. $36.99. You're getting good bang for your buck. You know, if you're discerning, you know, you really want some high quality, crispy sound out of some earbuds, then these are a definite solid buy, especially at this price range. You're getting quality that you normally would see in Bluetooth earbuds that are, you know, in the $60 or $75 range. If you're in the market for some Bluetooth earbuds, definitely check out the Dudios Zeus. These are some of the better ones that I've tried, you know, in the past few months. So yeah, man, I highly recommend them. You should definitely check them out. That wraps up my unboxing and review of the Dudios Zeus Bluetooth earbuds. Let me know what you guys think of these right down in the comments section. And if you have any questions or even a different set of Bluetooth earbuds that you might prefer, different brand maybe, let me know. Your suggestion might just come out in the next video. And as always, if you guys like this video, go ahead and smash that like button for me. And if you didn't like this video, go ahead and hit that dislike button. That's cool too. Either way, it helps out my channel. And if you haven't done so already, consider hitting that subscribe button along with that small notification bell. And this way you never miss any of my weekly videos. Now, with all that being said, I hope everybody has a great week and I will see you guys in the next video.